Welcome to Dark Hour Story. Tonight's tale is a real-life horror. Title: The Most Haunted Road in America. There's a road in Clinton Road, New Jersey, that locals call the most haunted street in America. Drivers say when you stop on the bridge at night, a ghostly boy will throw coins back at you from the water below. Others report phantom headlights that follow them, only to vanish into thin air. Police officers have found abandoned cars with no drivers. Some even swear they've seen strange figures standing in the woods, watching but never moving. Clinton Road is so infamous. Even paranormal investigators call it hell on earth. And the scariest part? You don't have to believe in ghosts, because the road was also a known dumping ground for the mob. Meaning some of the shadows watching you may not be ghosts at all. This has been Dark Hour Story. Stay tuned for more chilling tales.